wonderful country people. How una dey o? Dis actor wey dem dey call Yul Edochie don finally come reply all im critics, all di amebo group of company wey dem dey carry rumour say im pregnant im colleague wey dem dey call Judy Austin, say im give am belle sotey dey come born baby boy. My country people, I don even do video concerning dis whole matter. So a lot of people come dey wait to say dis thing fit be lie o. Say how dem go just dey lie on top of Yul Edochie head? How dem go dey lie on top of dis responsible actor head wey be say na the godfather son, that is Pete Edochie son? Say no way. So the thing come dey rain, the whole social media come be like say e wan catch fire. For where Yul Edochie no send people, e no even answer them. People come dey say Yul Edochie give woman belle, give this actress Judy belle, sotey dey come born boy. Now wow, my people, finally make una sit down, make una relax, take drink if you dey drink, make we do touchlight this Yul matter. How im take come out come take reply all the people wey be say dem dey carry rumour say im give Judy Austin belle. Na wow. Alright my correct people, Yul Edochie now don come out o. Funny enough, Yul Edochie from im statement, e show say true say im really give dis lady belle, because e no come out come talk say why una dey lie for my head? Anybody wey be say dey want to scatter my marriage, anybody wey be say e dey talk wetin I no do, you know that kind thing wey be say somebody go accuse you of something, you go vex. For where Yul Edochie no do am. E come out, e say abeg o, make people wey dem dey carry im matter dey hawk for head like gala, say make dem mind their business, say make dem focus on his achievement, make dem leave his private life aside. Say that side na im private life, e no concern us. Oh hey my people, Yul Edochie, lis ten to me and lis ten very good, according to people wey dey speak grammar. My people una just talk now, just dey talk. So but on a serious note, I say like seriously, see Yul Edochie, nothing like private life. You be celebrity, una life dey out there, una life be like signboard, everybody dey read and dey pass. So my people Yul Edochie say make everybody concentrate on his achievement. Say make dem forget in private life. Say this one wey be say dem dey accuse am say im kerewa for outside come go give the babe belle, sotey dey come born baby boy. Say that one na in private life, e no concern anybody. Wahala be like bicycle. So people say na wow. So Yul, as e fine like this, as e dey like this, so you fit do this kind thing. My country people, in case una no know, Yul Edochie na married man with 4 children, 3 boys and 1 beautiful daughter. If una see this Yul Edochie daughter, na Yul Edochie carbon copy, very beautiful girl of when don reach that kind 15 years. I never won't believe say this thing e happen. If e happen, how wetin Yul Edochie go tell in daughter, wetin e go tell in children? So I no believe. And I so e get fine wife. Mona see Yul wife as e fine set. So people come dey say the thing when e be say e worry you be say you quick marry. Say quick marry. Say men wey be say they no gboro, they no rock, they no gallivant, they no jollificate before they marry. Say there is that tendency of them to, when they don't deal with their wife, they go want to test wetin dey outside. Na be the thing wey be say affect Yul Edochie. And I say like seriously. So if person want to test wetin dey outside, condom no dey for market, abi the babe just deliberately want to scatter this man marriage? I no understand. Mature lady like this, you look finish, na person home na dey hungry you. Na person home, married man with 4 solid children, na sweet you sotey una wan even do, una no this one na deliberate act na, if true, because if to say Yul Edochie now don come out now come say this thing he no do am o. I for say na. This one he no deny am o. He no talk say make una no dey lie for my head say I give woman belle, make una no scatter my marriage. He come out say that one na her private life. So that one now don turn to private life. So you get private life. Now wow. So him come list Yul Edochie son wey come go write all the achievements where you say make dem celebrate about am, make dem talk about am, say rather than to dey talk in private life. When I don put the story finish, when I don knack this gist finish, towards the end I'll come read all the achievement where you say we the Amebo group of company say make we dey talk about, make we not talk about in private life. Now wow. So my people, the thing when I want to ask una be say this men wey be say dem quick marry, wey be say dem no gboro, na so dem be? Because people say na so dem be, say once man no gboro, that is, no groove, carry woman, when he just come marry straight, say after dem don marry finish, say wetin that side go dey hungry dem. Una believe say na like that e be? Abeg, if you feel say na true, na people talk say men wey be say dem no groove, say dem dey kerewa for outside if dem don marry, make you leave your comment for comment section. And na so e still be for all this young girls wey be say men dem go village go carry one village champion come keep for house, say this one over open eye. Before you know, once the babe open eye, the thing contest the one when he dey outside, in marriage no contain am again. Na wetin dey talk. Me I no know. If you feel say na true, make you drop your comment for comment section. Make you talk how you whether na true. Alright, so my people, so you now don come say this whole matter na in private life, say nothing concern am. People come say you na big time shame o. If true e do this kind thing, say Yul Edochie na person wey be say im papa train well, say e get home training, say why e go come fall hand na. So and another thing wey be say we understand be say Yul Edochie papa wey na Pete Edochie, in okay polygamy. Yes, in okay polygamy. He say yes, e don get the time when the man dey talk matter, he okay polygamy, but the man no be polygamy o. He marry only one wife, he dey with him wife, born all him children, train him children well, live responsible life. So if this thing na true now, I don't know how Yul wife go feel about this whole matter. I don't know how he go feel about this matter. So my people, Yul Edochie na say na him son, na him come write for him Instagram. He say make we talk about his achievement. He say a young man who never relied on his father's name, but work extremely hard to build his own name. He say na him be that young man wey be say una go talk about. He say a young man who defied the odds and ran for governor of his state at 35 years, rejected all forms of bribe to step down by all parties and ran the race till the end. A young man who gave up his political appointment to join the campaign to rescue Nigeria. A young man who has stood for peace, unity and progress in Nigeria and Africa. A young man who constantly assists fight for the youth and encourage them to believe in themselves and fight for their rights and country. A young man who constantly celebrates other people's achievements. A man of high integrity. A fearless young man who has declared his interest to run for president of Nigeria in 2023 and will be only 41 years by age by then. Indeed, a shining example to the youth. Are they giving me my accolade? No, they are discussing my contribution to. Are they discussing my contribution to building a better society? He said no. Are they supporting my presidential ambition? He said no. They are busy discussing my private life, but which is neither their business. But I am not surprised. That's how always. Now wow. So he said make we mind our business. say na im private life, say all dis thing wey be say I don list for now, say we no dey gree dey discuss dat one. Na only dey poke nose, dey busybody dey discuss say im kerewa Judy Austin give am belle, dem born boy. E say na im be the only thing wey be say we the Amebo group of company sabi discuss be that. Say abeg o, im want to contest for presido 2023, say make dem support am. Hey, some people come say, make I read comment for comment section. Somebody say, the same young man who left his beautiful wife and pump up his colleague to a bouncing baby boy, old boy, the question is, you do am or not? Tell your would be voters or fans to now. Wow, somebody say, from the look of things, it's obvious he did it, as he is now trying to dodge the answer by beating about the bush. Now wow, even you when be president for Naija, maybe he is joking sha. Now wow, won't be president of Naija, not be small thing. Why will he be joking? Is you not presentable enough to be the president of this country? More than okay. Now wetin somebody talk, somebody say e be like say you dey joke, say because dem no think say im mean am to be president of Nigeria. Another person I come dey reply and say whether Yul Edochie no look presentable. My people, how una see this whole matter, my people? How una see this whole matter? Which type of falling hand be this one now? If true say you actually give this girl belle. All right, so my people, as we see, and so we go continue to the touch lighter. What are your thoughts? Leave your comment for comment section. If you never subscribe to this channel, I better make you subscribe to this channel. This is Maureen Gist TV. Have a wonderful day. God bless you all. Bye.